guys, we're gonna play Fortnite Chapter 2, Season 5. If you're in the future, then let me know in the comments if you're watching this in the future. But yeah, okay. Battle Royale. Okay. What do I even do? How does this squad film? Wait. Yeah. Gonna do squad film. Squad fail. Squad fail. Nah, I have no friends, that's why. Oh, my name Emmett was online, but he doesn't get to play at 6. Wait, is it even more than 6? Let me check, guys. Yeah, it's more than 6, guys. It's never gonna be in 9. Only says he can play at 6. It's like 7 and something. I should literally go to sleep already. Okay. Bro, they used to have this thing that shoots faster. Never mind. Let's not complain about it. Okay, where do we land? We should land at Retail Road. We should land right here. Nah, not. Actually, never mind. People just copy other landmarks. It's like so weird. Okay. I don't know why I have no sound. That doesn't matter. Let's get right into the chest. Also, as you didn't know, I literally need new headphones. Oh, there's like 3 persons. I'm not even a sweat. Hey, I did find a gun. Hopefully this is a good gun. Probably. They got it. Their aim like sucks, dude. Oh, I can't see because of the aim. The aim thing, dude, it's like, oh no, I have to reload. How am I gonna dodge them? There's like so many, and my gun had to reload. What was I gonna do about it? Hey, at least I knocked down one. He's a sweat. Okay, never mind. Let's not talk about it. I might have a mic. Yeah, this guy's cracked. Hey! I didn't know there was a squad. Thought there was only 2. Hey, go get me! I'm a distraction. Go get me. No, don't die! Even though you have a pistol. Okay, let me see where Kit Kat is. Yeah, we're never gonna win. Why do people win like so far? It's not like fair. People win like so far from other people. It's not fair for the other people that's far from the other people. Because first of all, the other people might get knocked down and they'll just lose the match. It's not like fair. Because you have to wait like 1 million hours if you want to make sure that they're gonna get you. Okay, let's get back. Okay. I'm gonna go mind my business. Okay, where are these 3 people going? Teeny, miny, toe. I'm going to the red one. Actually, I'm a noob. They'll probably just leave me alone. They'll probably just leave me alone with a noob, and nobody wants to be next to a noob. Okay. First of all, let's go in this house. Okay. Once my brother started playing Fortnite, he told me that chests were inside roofs. Well, not sometimes. Okay. Okay, there's a chest in this roof. Babe, I used some. Don't blame me. Oh, I have a task. Oh, this is gonna be pain. Where do we go? Also, I watched one of Cypress videos. I know it's really good. I watch him sometimes. Well, not all the time. Maybe on daily weekends I do. But there's not a daily weekend. Wait, did they move Sandman back? Oh my god, this is unbelievable. They moved them back. This is unbelievable. They literally moved them back. No more. Oh, someone's down. We'll ride them. Oh, come on. There definitely is like one. Wait, how far is? It's really far away, but I'll take a big risk and take the fat L. Because I need to do some quests. Hey, just. Okay. I did fix the bind. I like resetted my binds. What did I get? Trash stuff. Some machine gun for a weapon? Ah, come on. Why do we need like a healing submachine gun when I already have one? My loot is like trash. I don't even have well, I do have a super fast spray gun. But dude, I don't know. Almighty. Okay, first of all, why do people go like really far away from other people? It's like so hard to even. I'm getting you. Alright. There must be like sweats. I'm like trash. Well, get your reboot and reboot you. Yeah. Why does this person not even care about their teammates? Wait, I know. Almighty King. Why 12 people sorry? Okay. I have an easy task. All I have to do is just reboot him. With people. Here are these people. Oh yeah. I saw someone go over here. I'll take care of the person. Please just go revive the guy. He burned himself. It's like so hard to tell he's right there. Okay, got a kill. My aim like sucks, dude. How do you even die to me? Oh. Okay. Dude, Dude, where are... Oh, there you are. Silly old person. Why, dude? It's like I never stand a chance. There's like 1 million people. I never stand a chance, dude. Okay, first of all, he's never gonna get us. This guy's like... Look at him. He's just staring at us. Okay, I'm gonna leave. This guy's too mean for me. He never gets us. How did it pass like 10 minutes? So, I'm just gonna end the video here. Sorry if it was long.